Okay, guys, look at this. The durian tree is so close with mango tree. So I'll move this mango tree here beside papaya tree. Okay, let's do it now. The distance between durian tree and mango tree is about uh, 2 or 3 meters. I think it's so close. So I'll move about 1 meter again. Okay, the first, let's put out this mango tree. Oh, there are many ants. Okay, guys, I has already make a hole around mango tree. Just pull it out. It's not so deep. And then I make it hole here about 1 or 2 meters from mango tree over here. Okay, now I'll dig a hole over here to plant mango tree. Ah, Bismillah. Okay, guys, I has already make a hole the size about 30 by 30 and 30 in deep. Okay, let's move the plant. Bismillah. Let's try again to move this mango tree. I'll try again. Bismillah. Okay, let's try again. Okay, done. Let's try again. One more. One more root. Oh, I'm so tired, guys. Whoa, done. Alhamdulillah. Okay, let's move the mango tree. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ah, okay, I'll clean the grass and then press the soil like this to make it solid. And done. Look at, guys. This is the final result. I have removed this mango tree near papaya tree. Okay, guys, look at this. This is the final result. I have succeeded to remove this mango tree here about 2 meters from all the place. Okay, look at this. It's so beautiful. Okay, guys, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.